In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to replace a clutch and chain on a manually operated roller shade. Follow along to ensure a smooth and damage-free process. Start by rolling the shade up to its upper limit. If the shade has fascia, remove the front cover. Remove the chain tension device from the mounting surface. Next, remove the shade. Rotate the hook on the idler bracket and remove the idler side of the shade from the bracket, followed by the clutch side. For clutch shades and SMB brackets, lift the clutch side up so the lugs are not fully seated. Then compress the spring idler enough so the clutch side can swing out of the bracket. Remove the idler pin from the bracket. For shades installed in a cassette, begin by removing the cassette from the mounting brackets. Insert a flathead screwdriver into the mounting bracket slot and gently lift the cassette back to release it. Using a small Phillips head screwdriver, remove the screw located on top of the operator side end cap. Once the end cap is removed, use a rubber mallet to gently tap out the operator bracket. The shade can now be removed from the cassette and placed on a flat, protected surface. To remove the clutch, carefully unroll the fabric to expose the clutch. Use a flathead screwdriver to gently slide the clutch out of the roller tube. In some cases, a rubber mallet may be needed. The new chain will arrive at the correct loop length with a connector and chain tension device already installed. Carefully insert the new clutch into the tube, making sure the tube's internal ridge aligns between the fins of the clutch. If needed, carefully use a rubber mallet to fully seat the clutch into the tube. Gently roll the fabric back onto the tube. Reinstall the shade by sliding the clutch end onto the bracket, ensuring the B chain hangs straight down. Then install the idler end into the bracket. Rotate the hook to lock it in. To install the chain tension device, compress the internal spring and slide the device to the bottom of the chain loop. Pull it down until it is fully compressed. Then secure it to the mounting surface using the provided fasteners. Finally, set the shade limits using the provided bead stops. Reinstall the fascia if applicable. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more videos, visit Instaroll.com.